first conditional, which is also called conditional type 1, is a structure about possibilities in the present. We use different verb forms in each part of first conditional. The first conditional is used to talk about things which are possible in the present or the future. Things which may happen. Find the correct answer from the 3 options given in this exercise.
I will give her your message if I see her. If the weather is fine tomorrow, we will have a picnic. If I promise to be very quiet, can I stay up and watch the end of the film? What will you do if you fail in your exams? Will you do the washing up if I take the dog for a walk? I will take an umbrella in case if it rains. We will be on time provided there is no traffic. We will not go there if it rains. I will wear a helmet in case if the police are there on the road. If there is a ticket, then I can watch the movie.